How to make a faceless YouTube channel with AI, Tube Magic. Creating a faceless YouTube channel with AI using Tube Magic. Are you a content creator looking to take your YouTube channel to the next level? Imagine having a channel that runs on autopilot, consistently producing high-quality videos without the need for a human face to be front and center. With the power of artificial intelligence and tools like Tube Magic, this dream can become a reality. Benefits of having a faceless channel with AI for content creators. One of the key benefits of having a faceless YouTube channel with AI is the ability to maintain anonymity while still delivering engaging content to your audience. This can be particularly useful for creators who prefer to keep their personal lives private or who want to focus solely on the content itself. By removing the need for a human face, you can also appeal to a wider audience and avoid potential biases or distractions that may come with being in front of the camera. Ease and efficiency of using Tube Magic for video creation. Tube Magic makes the process of creating videos with AI incredibly simple and efficient. With just a few clicks, you can generate high-quality, engaging content that is tailored to your specific niche or audience. This not only saves you time and effort, but also ensures that your videos are consistently produced at a professional level, helping you stand out in the crowded YouTube landscape. Potential for increased engagement and reach with AI-generated content. By harnessing the power of AI to create your videos, you open up a world of possibilities for increased engagement and reach. AI can analyze trends, optimize content for search engines, and even personalize videos for individual viewers, leading to higher levels of viewer retention and interaction. With AI-generated content, you can reach a larger audience and drive more traffic to your channel, ultimately helping you grow your brand and achieve your content creation goals. Setting up Tube Magic. Learn how to set up Tube Magic for creating AI-generated faceless videos. Setting up Tube Magic for creating AI-generated faceless videos is a straightforward process that can revolutionize your content creation workflow. Follow these steps to get started. 1. Create an account on the Tube Magic platform and explore the features. Begin by signing up for an account on the Tube Magic platform. Once registered, take some time to explore the various features and tools available to you. Familiarize yourself with the interface and navigation to make the most of Tube Magic's capabilities. 2. Upload necessary assets like scripts, images, and voiceovers for video generation. To kickstart the video creation process, upload any necessary assets such as scripts, images, and voiceovers to the Tube Magic platform. These elements will serve as the building blocks for your AI-generated videos. Ensure that your assets are organized and easily accessible within the platform for seamless video production. 3. Customize AI settings to match the desired style and tone of the videos. Tailor the AI settings within Tube Magic to align with the desired style and tone of your videos. Adjust parameters such as pacing, voice modulation, and visual effects to create a cohesive and engaging video experience. Experiment with different settings to find the perfect balance that resonates with your audience and enhances the overall quality of your content. By following these steps and leveraging the capabilities of Tube Magic, you can streamline the process of creating AI-generated faceless videos and unlock new possibilities for your YouTube channel. Creating faceless content. Understand the process of generating faceless content using AI through Tube Magic. Generating faceless content using AI through Tube Magic is a game changer for content creators looking to streamline their video production process. Here's how you can create engaging, faceless videos with ease. 1. Select a script or topic for the video content. Start by choosing a script or topic for your video content. Whether it's a tutorial, a product review, or a storytelling video, having a clear direction for your content is essential. Consider your target audience and the message you want to convey to ensure that your video resonates with viewers. 2. Utilize AI tools to generate visuals and animations for the faceless videos. Once you have your script in place, leverage Tube Magic's AI tools to generate visuals and animations for your faceless videos. The platform's advanced algorithms can transform your script into engaging visuals, animations, and graphics that bring your content to life. Experiment with different styles and effects to enhance the visual appeal of your videos and captivate your audience. 3. Ensure consistency in branding and messaging across all AI-generated videos. Maintaining consistency in branding and messaging is key to building a strong and recognizable brand identity. When creating faceless content using AI, ensure that your videos align with your brand's aesthetics, tone, and values. Keep your messaging clear and consistent across all videos to reinforce your brand identity and build trust with your audience. By following these guidelines and harnessing the power of AI through Tube Magic, you can create compelling, faceless content that resonates with viewers and elevates your YouTube channel to new heights. Optimizing for engagement. Optimize AI-generated faceless videos for maximum viewer engagement and retention. To maximize viewer engagement and retention with your AI-generated faceless videos created through Tube Magic, it's essential to implement strategies that captivate your audience and keep them coming back for more. Follow these guidelines to optimize your videos for success. 1. Add compelling thumbnails and titles to attract clicks and views. First impressions matter, so create eye-catching thumbnails and compelling titles that entice viewers to click on your videos. Use high-quality images, vibrant colors, and intriguing text to grab attention and stand out in search results. A visually appealing thumbnail, paired with a catchy title, can significantly increase click-through rates and drive more views to your content. 2. Incorporate relevant keywords and tags for better search visibility. Improve the discoverability of your AI-generated videos by incorporating relevant keywords and tags in your video descriptions and metadata. Conduct keyword research to identify popular search terms related to your content and strategically place them throughout your video information. By optimizing for search visibility, you can attract a larger audience and increase the chances of your videos being recommended to viewers. 3. Encourage viewer interaction through calls to action and engaging content. Engage your audience and encourage interaction by including calls to action, CTAs, throughout your videos. Prompt viewers to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your channel to foster a sense of community and loyalty. Additionally, create engaging content that captivates viewers from start to finish, keeping them invested in your videos and eager to watch more. By implementing these optimization strategies, you can enhance viewer engagement and retention with your AI-generated faceless videos, ultimately growing your audience and increasing the success of your YouTube channel. Monetizing with affiliate links. Explore the potential of affiliate marketing by incorporating relevant links in AI-generated videos. Affiliate marketing offers content creators a lucrative opportunity to monetize their videos by promoting products or services through affiliate links. By strategically incorporating relevant affiliate links in your AI-generated videos created with Tube Magic, you can generate passive income and enhance the value of your content. Follow these guidelines to maximize the potential of affiliate marketing in your videos. 1. Select affiliate products or services that align with the video content and audience interests. When choosing affiliate products or services to promote in your videos, ensure they align with the content and interests of your audience. Select products that complement the theme of your videos and provide value to your viewers. By promoting relevant affiliate offerings, you can increase the likelihood of conversions and earn commissions from qualified purchases made through your affiliate links. 2. Disclose affiliate partnerships transparently to maintain trust with viewers. Transparency is key when incorporating affiliate links in your videos. Clearly disclose your affiliate partnerships to viewers by including a disclaimer in your video descriptions or verbally mentioning your affiliate relationships like mine with Tube Magic. If you like the product, my affiliate link is below. Building trust with your audience is essential for long-term success in affiliate marketing. So be upfront about your affiliations and focus on providing genuine recommendations. 3. Track affiliate link performance and optimize placements for higher conversions. Monitor the performance of your affiliate links using tracking tools provided by affiliate programs. Analyze metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and revenue generated to identify top-performing links and optimize their placements in your videos. Experiment with different call-to-action strategies and placement techniques to maximize conversions and increase your affiliate earnings. By incorporating relevant affiliate links in your AI-generated videos and following these guidelines, you can unlock the full potential of affiliate marketing as a monetization strategy for your YouTube channel. Stay focused on providing valuable content to your audience while leveraging affiliate partnerships to generate passive income and grow your online presence. Conclusion: summarize the key points of creating a faceless YouTube channel with AI using Tube Magic. In conclusion, creating a faceless YouTube channel with AI using Tube Magic opens up a world of possibilities for content creators looking to enhance their video production process and engage with their audience in new and innovative ways. Let's recap the key points discussed. Recap the benefits of leveraging AI for content creation and video production. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence through Tube Magic, content creators can enjoy benefits such as anonymity, efficiency, and increased engagement. AI-generated videos offer a unique opportunity to streamline the video creation process, reach a wider audience, and maintain consistency in branding and messaging. Encourage viewers to explore Tube Magic for their own faceless video projects. For viewers inspired by the potential of AI-generated faceless videos, encourage them to explore Tube Magic for their own video projects. The platform's user-friendly interface, advanced AI tools, and customizable settings make it a valuable resource for content creators looking to elevate their video content and stand out on YouTube. Invite viewers to subscribe, like, and share the video for further engagement. To foster viewer engagement and support for your channel, invite viewers to subscribe, like, and share the video with their friends and followers. Building a loyal audience and community around your content is essential for long-term success on YouTube, and encouraging viewer interaction can help grow your channel and increase your reach. By embracing the possibilities of AI-generated faceless videos with Tube Magic, and following these guidelines, content creators can unlock new opportunities for creativity, engagement, and monetization on YouTube. Start your AI-powered video journey today and watch your channel thrive in the digital landscape. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends.